Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then slide down again and find screen recorder. Press and hold on it, then click on sound, and now you can mute sound so your video won't have any sound. You can set it to mic, so you can record video with your voice. You can set it to system, so there will be no microphone sound, but there will be system sounds like music played on your phone or any other sounds. Or you can set it to system and mic, so you will record both the system sounds and your voice. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.